Cluster 3 is from Sinaan, San Francisco, Pinagan, Dampalan, Mabuhay, and Bacalibre.
Alright, once again, ang atong coordinator ganihan, ang unang itawag is sa Cluster 2, we have Rodel Alongro and yours truly. And karon sa ato ang Cluster 3, we have Sir Benji Agbay and Sir Jury Chabia. Another consolation prize is coming from Cluster 6.
Cluster 6 is from Tuburan, Pinasyo, Antonino, and Poblacion, Bajo.
Cluster 6 coordinated by Sir Ayan Kaay and Ma'am Osh Jimenez.
Congratulations, Cluster 6.
Another consolation. We have Cluster 8.